Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You have admin access and backups ready. Start by connecting to the server console. Use SSH or RDP precisely, then open the server folder containing server. CFG. Once connected, copy the live config to a dated backup and keep a second local copy. This protects you if a change breaks startup. Make sure your console tool shows real-time logs so you can watch for errors when you edit. Now open the config in a reliable text editor and prepare to change key parameters. Now edit the console parameters with intention. Change Archon password and console port if needed, adjust log level to verbose for troubleshooting, and update max players only if resources allow. Once done, save the file and record the exact edits and time. This makes rollback straightforward. Use the console's soft reload command to apply most settings without a full reboot. If a soft reload fails, the logs you enabled will show the failing module. That tells you whether a restart or a reverted change is required. Finish by validating the console changes with live tests. Connect with a client, run a few Archon commands, and verify the server accepts them and the logs show no errors. If something goes wrong, immediately revert to the backup and confirm firewall or port conflicts aren't blocking console access. Commonly, a port or password mismatch causes failures. Make sure to document what you changed, why, and the verification outcome so future maintenance is faster. One tip: increase log level briefly if a problem is intermittent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.